job, Bella. Very sweet.
Okay, I don't have a problem.
That's
The,
just a big one.
The audio still works, Mommy. Good job, Bella.
We got the tip right there.
She has some other
It's
shit.
right there.
Is that good, Brio?
That good for now.
Is that yummy?
Really?
Is that yummy, Indiana?
Careful, careful, careful.
Easy. Remember, let
She's
her.
still eating. Let
She's
her
still
do her
eating
thing.
hers. Let her open her mouth.
Now let's give you some palm.
With something like this. Yeah, then.
Look at now.
Easy.
That one's not gonna work, Bella.
Strawberry. Yeah.
Let's try egg.
An egg.
She likes egg.
What are you doing, Goofy baby?
Aww. Did you drop it? Here.
Mm.
Mm.
That good. Yeah.
Here, put this in your fingers and give it to me.
Oh, Dad.
Use your finger.
No, it's too yucky.
It's egg. It's not yucky. Maybe Brio will disagree with me.
She does that all the time though. She like spits it out and pulls it back in. It's different texture.
Yeah.
That's what I was expecting,
The
Banana.
fun egg.
Did I
Yeah,
trick you?
like
Your face is like, you tricked me, Mommy. Did I trick you? It's egg! Yeah, meow, 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 meow. We got some protein.
Hang on, where are you going?
It's going in there.
Not with the fork.
I said right here.
Okay.
Okay.
That is my fork.